What is cracking, everybody? Today is Wednesday, May the 12th, 2021, hump day again. In the field, it's fucking hot. Thank God the sun is blocked by some clouds, but it is humid. It's my fault because I started late today. It's like almost 11 o'clock. So late start today, but that's okay. We're still gonna get it done. Doesn't matter what time we start, as long as we get it done. So do a little warm-up stretch here, get your arms engaged, because what we got today? Another killer Tabata workout. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn post notifications on. It's the 1 year anniversary week. We're gonna celebrate all week the 1 year shred and grind Tabata style, so that's what we're doing. Yeah, so what do we got today? We got a kettlebell for some kettlebell stuff. We got the sled with plates. Call it the sled, but it's plates. So we're gonna do plate drags. You could either do them, I'll give you an option because we're doing them twice. You could pull this way one time and turn around and grab it this way and pull it this way the second time. And then the other way on the way back, it's gonna be pulls, down, pull, move back, pull. That's we're gonna do that twice. We got some plank twists. We got some overhead oblique twist with the kettlebell. It's gonna be tough. We're gonna be holding it up high. So lots of stuff today. Let's just get it done, shall we? But all we have out here is a kettlebell, the plates. I have a little mat for when I sit down, and that's pretty much it. So first thing we got, and by the way, I got the cones out here. We're gonna do some sprinting. So we're gonna do, the first thing is gonna be 10 yards and back 3 times. So 10 back, 10 back, 10 back. Next set of 4 is gonna be 15 back, 15 back, 15 back. The third set is gonna be 20 back twice. I don't know if you can do it 3 times, 20 seconds, but if you can get 3 times, great. If not, don't worry about it. So let's get it started, shall we? Shred and grind, TB, Tabata style. Getting it done on a hump day Wednesday. So don't forget, 10 yards and back 3 times right here. So the first cone. Up, touch, turn back, touch, turn back, touch, turn back. One more. I don't know if that was 3 or 4 times actually, but whatever it was enough time. Next thing we got is sled drags. Remember what I said? Drag it the first time. Just drag it, just pull, get down low and just drag. It's only 90 pounds. Come on, you can do it. You can put more weight on that if you want, or less. Drag it until the clock runs out. Come on. Big drag. Quick turnaround. Now we're going to do some pulls. Flip it. Down. Pull up overhead. Pull. Get it overhead. Big pull right here. Pull. Up and overhead if you can. Right here. It's good for your back, shoulders. Let's get one more. Oh. Nice. Woo. That was good. Plank twist. So let's get in a plank right here. And we twist. So we're going this way, this way, this way, core tight, this way. You don't need to see my whole body, just the back side, the front side. Keep the core tight, twist, 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 twist. Nice. Next we got 15 and back 3 times. See if we can do 15. 15. Back. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Kettlebell swing. Got your kettlebell right here. 45 pounds. Heavy. Maybe not heavy for you, but it's pretty heavy. And thrust up with your core and your midsection. Don't use really not using your arms here. It's all in the legs and glutes. Nice. Kettlebell suitcase carry. So hold it in one hand, the other hand's gonna be here, like this. We're gonna go up, 10 seconds, hold it tight. Turn, switch sides, bring it back. Stand up tall. Come on. Nice. Kettlebell overhead oblique twist. So take this up overhead, like this, overhead, and we're gonna do an oblique twist right here. So twist, I mean, it's really a side bend. I guess we could do twist. Not as exciting as the side bends. Let's get a couple more. 1, 2, 3. Whew, that was tough. 20 yards and back twice right here. Last set of 4. Come on, 20. And back, come on. A lot of sprinting here, come on. That was 10 seconds right there, come on. All that right here. Beat it. Nice. Sled drag. This time we can do it backwards. So get it ready. Flip it. Grab it like this and drag it. Come on, get your feet. Get your feet engaged. Come on, pull. Pull it. Full thrust. Nice. Last but not least, kettlebell toe touches. So, get right here. Oh yeah, get this up. Have to do a couple extra here, but that's okay. Get your legs up. Toe touch. Up, up, up. Legs straight up. Reach with that kettlebell. See me? Reach with that kettlebell. Reach. 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 2, 3. Whew. That was a rough one. Gotta watch out for the ants out here too. Those killer red ants are killer out here. So that was a good Tabata workout right there for a field day. Get your drink on, like always. Keep fluids going in as you sweat them out. Woo, yeah, he's out of breath on a Wednesday, day 3 of the fast. Monday's gone, Tuesday's gone, Wednesday, most of the day's gone already. So tomorrow, look forward to a good leg workout, glute workout, some core, and some food. Yeah, so that's what we got today. Shred and grind it. Happy anniversary to Neil, the grinding wheel, which is me. I just have to say it to myself as I'm the third person. Hey Neil, congratulations on 1 year of shred and grind Tabata style. Hey, thanks. Appreciate it, buddy. So that's what we got today. Neil, the grinding wheel. Look at that. I'm gonna little pose down here at the end. Sweaty pose down. Look at that side. I don't know about the back muscles. How are they looking? What if I do this? Anyway, pose down. Peace out.